Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. A few years ago, about 4 to be exact, I filmed a zany video about the 12 days of bushcraft. It hasn't got a lot of views, but I thought it was a lot of fun to make. Now my editing skills have come a long ways, and there's a lot of things I would probably do a little bit differently if I was filming it currently. However, I think you'll enjoy the re-upload. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and give it a thumbs up if you like it, and Merry Christmas to everybody. On the first day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me a knife and a handmade leather sheath. See? On the second day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 2 compasses and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the third day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the fourth day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 4-piece cooking set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 5th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 5 red bandanas, 4-piece cooking set, 3 ferro rods, where am I? And a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 6th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 6 plastic bags, 5 red bandanas, 4-piece cooking set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 7th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 7 rolls of duct tape, 6 plastic bags, 5 red bandanas, 4-piece cooking set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 8th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 8 camping candles, 7 rolls of duct tape, 6 plastic bags, 5 red bandanas, 4-piece cooking set, and 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 9th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 9 rolls of bankline, 8 camping candles, gotta have that duct tape, plastic bags, 5 red bandanas, 4-piece cooking set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 10th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 10 sewing needles, 9 rolls of bankline, 8 camping candles. You can fix it with duct tape, 6 plastic bags, 5 red bandanas. You need cotton material. 4-piece cooking set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 11th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 11 packs of oatmeal, 10 sewing needles, 9 rolls of bankline, 8 camping candles. You gotta fix it with duct tape, 6 plastic bags, 5 red bandanas, a nice 4-piece cook set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife and a handmade leather sheath. On the 12th day of bushcraft, my true love gave to me 12 pairs of socks, 11 packs of oatmeal. Oh, these are sharp. 9 rolls of bankline. Gotta have that duct tape, 6 plastic bags. Where did I put those bandanas? Woo! Cooking set! 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife in a handmade leather sheath. Cooking set, 3 ferro rods, 2 compasses, and a knife in a handmade leather sheath. Oh yeah.